Hi, my name is Tom Spiggle with the Spiggle Law Firm, where we help people who've been fired or afraid that they might be. One question that we get fairly frequently here is what it means to be in an at-will state. A lot of times we'll see people either say or they're comment online, hey, you can't bring a case because you're in an at-will state, or I'm in an at-will state. Can I, do I have a case? At will just basically means that neither your employer nor you owe an obligation to each other. Your employer can fire you for any legal, it's key, any legal reason. You can also quit for any reason, and there's no obligation owed, contractual obligation owed outside of that. The thing is that most states in the United States, I think all except Montana, are considered at-will states. So your employer can fire you for any reason that is legal. But there are many laws that apply to the workplace that your employer can break if they fire you in a certain way. So for instance, if you are pregnant and your employer fires you because you're pregnant, it doesn't matter that you were in an at-will state. That was illegal, and so you still have a case. Wage and hour, if you've been working somewhere and you haven't gotten paid properly, you hadn't gotten overtime, doesn't matter that it's an at-will state, your employer has still broken the law. And those examples go on and on, which is exactly the kind of work that we do. So if you are doing your own research and you read that your state, like most states, is an at-will state regarding employment, that doesn't mean that you don't have a case. It just means that there has to be some other law that is broken that allows you to bring a case against your employer. The one exception to this are for unionized workplaces or workplaces that have some kind of collective bargaining agreement. Those will set out the other regulations, other rules by which an employer must follow before they let you go. Those can be in addition to the other federal state laws that apply. So just know that if you're in an at-will state, it means you're in the same boat as the rest of us. And if you think you've been treated improperly or illegally, then absolutely I recommend talking to a lawyer.